Have you ever thought about turning your ability to speak a language into a source of income? From the comfort of your home, using just your laptop and Wi-Fi? What if I told you that people around the world are earning anywhere between 50,000 to 2 lakh rupees a month simply by teaching languages online? English, Hindi, Spanish, French, even regional Indian languages like Tamil or Telugu? And no, you don't need a fancy degree or a classroom full of students. All you need is your language skill, a bit of structure, and the right online platform. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start, the best platforms, the real income potential, how many hours you need to work, what skills you need, and a simple step-by-step plan that can take you from zero to your first paying students within just a few weeks. Over the last few years, online language learning has exploded. With globalization, remote work, and travel, people everywhere want to learn to speak fluently and confidently. Platforms like Reply, italki, Cambly, and Verbling have millions of learners signing up every month. And they're constantly looking for new tutors. Among these, Preply has been growing the fastest. It raised over $120 million in funding, expanded to 190 countries, and reported tenfold revenue growth in the last 3 years. What that means for you is, there's never been a better time to enter this space. Whether you want to teach English to global learners, Hindi to foreigners, or even regional languages to NRIs, there's massive demand waiting. Now, let's talk money, because this is where it gets exciting. If you're teaching through platforms like Preply or italki, you can earn anywhere between $10 to $35 per hour, depending on your experience and the language you teach. In Indian terms, that's roughly 800 to 2,800 rupees per hour. Start part-time and you can easily make 20,000 to 40,000 rupees a month by teaching just a few hours a day. Go full-time and experienced tutors often earn 1 to 2 lakh rupees a month or more. If you later create your own recorded courses or group classes, that number can grow even higher, sometimes up to 5 lakh rupees a month when your course scales globally. So whether you're looking for a side hustle or a career pivot, online tutoring can be as flexible or as profitable as you make it. The best part is, you don't need to be a certified teacher to start. What really matters is your fluency, communication, and empathy. If you can speak clearly and explain concepts in simple ways, you already have the foundation. Add a few extra skills like being comfortable with Zoom or Google Meet, knowing how to create digital notes on Google Docs, and maybe designing lesson slides on Canva, and you're good to go. Of course, if you're teaching English, a TEFL or TESOL certificate can help you stand out. And if you're teaching a foreign language like French or Japanese, having a basic proficiency certificate like DELF or JLPT adds credibility. But more important than certificates are your soft skills: patience, cultural awareness, and enthusiasm. Students stay not because you're perfect, but because you make learning fun, consistent, and personal. Let's now walk through exactly how you can get started, step by step. Step 1. Preparation. Pick the language you want to teach and decide who your students will be. For example, conversational English for working professionals or Hindi for travelers. Make sure your internet connection is reliable, your webcam works, and your background is clean and quiet. Step 2. Choose your platform. Sign up on 1 or 2 teaching platforms. Preply, italki, or Cambly are great starting points. Each will ask you for a short introduction, a profile photo, and a short video about yourself. Step 3. Create your intro video and profile. Your intro video should be short, 30 to 60 seconds, with a smile and confidence. Say who you are, what you teach, and how your lessons are unique. For example, hi, I'm Aisha from Bengaluru. I teach English to professionals who want to sound more confident in meetings. In my lessons, you'll practice real conversations, learn new expressions, and get personalized feedback after every session. Step 4. Start teaching and collect reviews. Your first 5 to 10 lessons are crucial. Offer discounted or even free trial classes to attract your first students. After each class, ask for feedback and reviews. That's what pushes your profile higher in the search results. Keep your lessons structured but friendly. Start with a short conversation to test the student's level, move into your main activity, maybe a dialogue or vocabulary practice, and end with a summary and a quick homework task. Step 5. Build a routine and increase rates. Once you've completed your first month and have 3 to 5 regular students, slowly raise your hourly rate. As your profile grows, you'll start getting steady bookings every week. After your first few months, you'll notice 2 things. 1. You're getting better at teaching, and 2. Students are coming back regularly. That's when you can start scaling. Bundle your lessons into packages. For example, 10 classes with a small discount. Offer group lessons at a lower per person rate, which can double your hourly income. And once you're confident, create your own recorded course on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable. That's how you move from active income, getting paid per hour, to passive income, where your courses keep earning even when you're not teaching live. Later, you can also approach companies that need corporate language trainers, especially for English communication or business Hindi. These clients often pay premium rates. Teaching languages online isn't just about money, it's about connection. You'll meet people from different countries, help them achieve real goals, and grow personally in the process. It gives you freedom to work from anywhere, set your own hours, and be your own boss. It gives you impact. You're literally helping someone find their voice in a new language. And it gives you stability because communication skills never go out of demand. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a professional looking to diversify income, this is one of the easiest and most fulfilling online businesses to start in 2025. So, if you've ever dreamed of making a living from your language skills, this is your sign to start. Pick a platform, shoot your intro video, and teach your first trial class this week. If you'd like me to create a separate video breaking down how to build your first online course or how to get international students fast, comment below and let me know which topic you'd like next. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend who speaks more than one language, and subscribe for more ideas on building digital income streams. Because remember, your voice can literally become your career.